This week on Gina Asks, I'm asking about soldering on this awesome pick and place from AMS. Check this out.
It appears that I have got the thankless task. Thankless task is a bit harsh, but I'm supposed to be educating Gina. Gina, what are we doing?
What? Am I not allowed to break? Colin,
No.
You've worked me silly for the last half an hour. I need some sugar.
Of which 20 minutes has been spent having a coffee. So anyway, moving on. We have got here, Gina, what is this?
That looks like gold, like nice gold stuff in there.
Again, right, so soldering, but it's not like your DIY solder. It controls the temperature. What about this, Gina?
A Brillo pad.
It is. It's pretty much a POS Brillo pad, basically. Cleaning your tip on there, get rid of the solder. Different tips here, different colours. So red and yellow, lead-free, so higher temperature blue, and there's no white on it, but different profiles, blue and white, so with lead, so lower temperature. Now moving on here, you've got PCB, pick and mix. Now this, different components on here, if you can see those, are absolutely tiny. So basically, picking those, putting on the PCB, which I'm just going to grab there without breaking it. This will do 6,000 an hour. Now, that sounds pretty impressive, but they've got machines that do up to 100,000. So each one of those is a little component, capacitor, resistor, semiconductor. And then, last but not least, guess what this is at the end, Gina?
Printer.
No, it is. Well, this is a bigger place. In there, you've got at the end, basically a posh pizza oven. Now, I'm going to keep it basic, it is. So that's basically cooking the PCB, component manufactured. There you go, you've got your printed circuit board.
Nice. Thank you so much, Colin. I feel like, I've really learnt a lot.
Back to the chocolates, Gina. That's nothing else to say.